I need help with the install of a Minka Anzani ###. The wiring does not match previous fan wiring.
Do you have a multimeter or voltage tester? What colors are the wires?
The wire from the ceiling are black, white, red, and green.
How long has this been going on with your wiring? What have you tried so far?
Both the fan and light have a wall switch. New fan has remote. Old one did not.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
From the new fan remote transmitter to the ceiling box there is a white, black, and green wire only.
Hello. Welcome to Just Answer. My name is I will be assisting you. Please note that you may see an offer for a phone consultation, for an additional fee. This offer is automatically generated by the website, and does not originate from me. You can ignore it, unless you would like a phone consultation. I'm sorry to hear you are having problems connecting your new fan. I know that can be frustrating, and I can certainly empathize with your situation. Hopefully, we can get this resolved quickly. Since your new fan has a remote, you now have one extra wire at the ceiling, which you won't need. That being the case, I would cap the red wire at the ceiling in a wire nut by itself. That will leave black, white, and ground from the ceiling box to connect to black, white, and green from the receiver.
I could use the wall switches as well as the remote. Will I be able to use the remote as well as the wall switches without changing existing regular wall switches?
You don't need to swap out the switches. Most people would leave the switch in the on position and just use the remote. However, you can leave one wall switch in place, and it will act as a master power switch. The receiver only needs a power input from either the ceiling box red or ceiling box black. Those are the two wires that are controlled by the two wall switches, which means one of them has to be abandoned. That will make one of the switches non-functional. Unfortunately, it's not possible to have two usable wall switches when a remote receiver is in the circuit.
Keep both switches where they are, in the on position. Or one on and one off.
One of the switches will have to be on, in order for the receiver and the fan to have power. The other switch can be off, because the wire going from that switch to the ceiling will be capped in the ceiling box.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.